Kuya Josh. Do you know what Kuya Josh means? Kuya means brother, yes. Brother like it means like older brother. Kuya means like older brother. Who among you guys cannot speak Filipino? You cannot speak Filipino? A little bit, a little bit. What's your name? Huh? Kuyen? Kuyen? Really? Wait. So my name is Josh Cullen, but you can call me Kuya Josh. So, what's my name? Kuya Josh. Wow, very good.